Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. Now, I know I've been absent, I apologize, and we'll get to doing some more serious videos, some more just random talking videos, some organization, some whatever floats our boat for the What's New, but 'tis the season to have gotten some amazing stinking deals online. Let's just say that. So I have a mini haul for you. It's not quite mini because it's gigantic, but it is mini in the fact that this is only part of it. I, for some reason, thought I didn't have enough paper in my life and decided that I would go get paper at Joann's during their Black Friday, Cyber Monday clearance deals that they have. I also got this set of tins. They're nesting. And I'm going to put my son's teacher's gift in one of them, and I'll use the other two for gifts, I'm sure, throughout the years or something. So that is my plan. So this is nesting tins. I wanted the Tim Holtz one that's got like the handle, but every time I put it in my basket and then I check out, it says, sorry, we had to cancel it. But yet you can go online and still add it to your basket because there's somewhere in some warehouse available, but it just depends on if you can beat the person to it. Supposedly there's one of them at my local Joann's, but I can't add to cart because it's like limited stock, so I might have to go there and check it out because I really want to use that, one, for my stuff, two, as a gift for somebody, so we'll see. But I got these nesting tins instead, and they were not $24.99. They were way cheaper. I can't even remember. Bunch of paper pads were on sale for $4.99 when they're normally, was it like 23 something? There was a heck of a steal. And because I got some amazing kits from the scrap room for this December, and I had actually used quite a lot of my Christmas stuff last year that I had. So I have some, but not like a ton, but I have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 5 years of Christmases to do yet. Plus this year, and I have to finish my DD from last year. I decided to get some Christmassy paper pads as well, and then my next order has some of the embellishments that come with it, and it's all Park Lane brand, so it's super cheap, and it all will coordinate. They had 3 different paper pads that were Park Lane, and then 3 different sets of sticker books and some ephemera pieces that kind of went with each of those 3. Oh, there's a 4th one, but it doesn't have any embellishments with it, but I thought that would be fun. So that stuff's still coming. When I get that, I'll show you guys that too. But final hours. Yeah, their hot prices are almost done. I just was checking my email to see. I couldn't remember. I was going to tell you how much these tins were. And these, I think, are still available. Let's see. Yeah, there's a couple things I keep attempting to order, and they keep having to quote-unquote cancel them, but you can still go online and add them. So it doesn't make any sense to me. I don't get it. Okay, these tins were, oh yeah, I got 2 albums. Because there was a coupon code. So I did get 2 We Are Memory Keepers leather 3-ring albums. And I got one in Buttercup and one in Coral. So I can show you those real quick. Just these classic 3-ring albums. So this is the Coral and then one in Buttercup. I just thought I'd get some different colors that I don't have. I needed an album for my travel, so our trip to the Black Hills, so I needed one, so I think I'll use the yellow one for that. And oh, I thought this was a ding in my album. I was like, what? And then I'll use this one for who knows what, because my 2020 album is ending up being like 3 albums. My 2014 is so far at 4, and I might have to be 5, so because those are the 2 I have been working on. So I'll use this one. It won't go unused. That's for sure. All right, so I've got those 2. So I got 2 albums because I thought, why not? There's deals going on. This is the time to get it. And I got these tins for presents. These tins were only $12, so they were 50% off. And actually, that might have been a coupon code. I don't remember. But I got them for $12. So I thought that was good, especially for gift giving season. I got 2 things of cardstock because you can't find cardstock at Hobby Lobby at all anymore. So I got these 2 sets of 40 sheets, and then I forgot that I got these in here, and then when I was on Amazon, I got some 110-pound cardstock in white as well, and some 5x7 sheets, which, where did I put those? But I got those as well, so I have that as well that I grabbed. I don't know where I put that cardstock. You guys would just be astounded at my space right now. Okay, I found the cardstock, but where did I put the... Oh, it's right in front of me. It's white, it blended in. So this stuff it's Hamilco. It was just a toy pack. It was cover cardstock, so it was 110 pound, and then they had the 5x7, because I love the 5x7 things. This was a different brand. 100 pack Go Fun? I don't know. It's made in China. This is blank cardstock. And here's this photo paper, but DIY card making. And then this one says 100 piece 80. These are 80 pound. Are these different? Hold on. I don't think so. Because this is cardstock and this is cardstock. It must just be their greeting cards, thank you cards. So yeah, this is cardstock. Heavyweight. Yeah, these are 80 pound. Oh, they're in packaging and in packaging. Cool. Look at all that plastic we're using. Oy. I tell you. But yeah, that's just cardstock. Okay. So I've got a lot of white cardstock now. And I got it all pretty cheap. But yeah, this cover cardstock was a decent price too. So I got that, and you can tell this is a little off white, but these are they're kind of the white, blue light white, but I don't care, because I just wanted some white cardstock. I usually add mixed media to it anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's like bright white or not. Usually by the time you add stuff to it, it turns colors. But yeah, I couldn't freaking find cardstock. And then I got, just because why not, these Tim Ideology labels were on sale. Is this showing me the full price on here? Yeah, it's not showing me the actual price I paid. Let me see. Oh, these were not $4.99. They were cheaper than this. But that's what it says. But it's not showing my coupon price. And the cardstock was $7. And I'm pretty sure that I had a discount on that too because I used a coupon. But then this, which I had ordered this one, which is the Media Set Winter Watercolor Stamp and Nordic / Polka Dot Stencil. This was on sale on clearance for 50% off. And then there was another one that they said they had to cancel, but then I was able to order it again today, which was the Nature's Wonder Stamps Gingham and Grime. So that one, and so far that one's not saying it's canceled, but it took a few days before it said it was canceled. Anywho, so I've got another stamp coming. That's stamp set and stencil. That's Tim Holtz that I really liked. So I figured I would play with those. Right, we're gonna leave these up here. So these are the Park Lane, the Big Deal pads. These Big Deal pads were on sale for, I believe, $4.99 or $9.99, which normally they're $20, so they were also 50% off. And then I think I had another 20% off my total order or something like that. But I really like this one. This one's called The Simple Life. The one thing I do like about these, yes, they're one-sided. That's the one thing I don't like about them. But what I do like is that there's two of each. So I can do some more, double page layouts. And that's what I liked about these patterns, is a lot of them could be great backgrounds or great layering pieces. So I got this one, which is The Simple Life. And I don't know where I'm storing all this because I do not have. This one is a Big Deal pad. This one's Sonoma. And this one, ooh, this one has a 3x4 cut apart side, but this one had a lot of good neutrals. And I just really like the colors. Oh, wood grain. Had some wood grain in it. Yeah, this one had a lot of really good background, especially 2-pager. There's probably a few sheets I won't use, but those will go somewhere else. And then this is the Christmas one. This is a Christmas one, and that's a Christmas one technically. So, and then this one is a Big Deal pad, and this is Floral Wonders. And this one also has a lot of good watercolory neutrals. And then the other one I have coming is called, which I think they canceled it again, even though I said there were like 60 to be shipped. Oh no, this time Simple Things. They canceled it last time. It was only $4.50. That one is coming now. The one I wanted, Quality Time, which is like a fall watercolor with lots of purples. That one they also canceled. But we'll see. We will see. I might check my local one and see if I can get it. We'll see. But the stamp sets, yeah. See, the stamp set I just ordered is $4.80, so they're like 70% off. So I'm pretty sure that's what I got the first one for. And then they had some Christmas pads that I wanted to try out, and these are 2-sided because some of the papers I was like, ugh, I don't know if I like that. But they're 2-sided, so if I don't like it, I can use the other side. So I have the third one coming. So there was Nostalgia, Firelight, and New Traditions were the 3 different, like, quote-unquote collections. And so Nostalgia is coming. I got Firelight and New Traditions already, and then I got this one, which is Come Together, which I thought was just a bunch of fun colors. And like I said, if I don't like one side, I like the other. This one, I like both sides. This one, yeah, for sure, I'm not so sure about the Dancing People, but this side's Candy Canes and Candy. This one's, both sides are fun. This one, both sides could be fun. I love both sides of that one. I like both sides of that one. This has a cut apart. So, here we can. A lot of fun. Ooh, I like that the snowflakes are, ooh, and the fa la 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 la, that's metallic. A lot of good disco. Yeah, that one not so much, but like the disco lights is kind of fun. It was just a lot of different fun colors. I like the colors of this one. And I thought it would be fun to do. And then if I ever make any projects that are Christmas related for presents or anything, then I have all the paper I need. And then, so then this is Firelight, more of a muted cream based. I love the colors in this. I hope you guys can see this. And then this is pretty. But even for some great backgrounds and some double page, so I might be using, you might be seeing some of these in my 20 Days of Christmas because I'm not, or 20 Days of Christmas cuff outs because I'm not done with them when I should be. But I wanted these to come in because I was running out of backgrounds. I wanted to use the papers, but running out of backgrounds because I think some of these could coordinate with some of the collections I have right now. And then this one's New Traditions. And then Nostalgia is kind of a lot of antique-y. Ooh, that's a pretty white. Yeah, there was a white. Was that an oops? Oh, it's like a deer print. Oh, pretty. I thought that was like just like showing through. Oh no, it is different. That's gorgeous because that's really subtle. A lot of deer, a lot of greens, creams. I just really liked the pads. And this paper is not bad. Foil treatment. So I have another, like I said, another Christmas one coming, and then all the ephemera and stickers that go with these, the 3 of the Christmas stacks. Because, yeah, I need more paper. I don't know why, but I thought I did. But those are going somewhere. Those are going somewhere. And then, last but not least, this was also on clearance, and they are distressed mica sprays. And they're in metallics. What did I end up getting? What colors? Let's open it and find out. But it was like, it's like bronze, copper, and something. And so I was like, yeah, I want those. I was hoping to find deals on Distress Oxides, and they had some, but they don't have the new ones. And then I also wanted deals on my embossing glaze, but cherry, it wasn't that great of a deal, so I didn't get it. So this one's tarnished brass, which I love. This one's antiqued bronze, which I love. And then this one is brushed pewter. So the very distressed but metallic colors. So I'm super excited to have those. And I think they go really well with my Vicky Bouton metallic paints. So I'm excited to have these, add those to my arsenal. And my ideology tabs. It's just a bunch of labels that are all in good like colors that you always use: red, black, blue, and green, or red, blue, and black. Like you use those colors all the time. So I'm excited, especially with these paper pads and the reds and the blacks and the blues. So those are just gonna go right in front here. So yeah, that is what I got at Joann's. So you'll see me using these a lot, and maybe even one of these days we'll try and make one of these paper pads my kit or something that I use up in a month. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. That's what's new. I hope you guys are having a fantastic December, and we'll see you next time. Bye.